the Netflix series Betal released today, and as we all know from the trailers and the little snippets that we got, that it's a zombie horror web series. India's first attempt to make a web series based on the zombie genre. Created by Patrick Graham, the same director who brought us Ghoul, Betal tells us the story of a remote village and a tunnel which the villagers want to protect because they think it's cursed. When a CIPD team tries to enter the tunnel, they are not ready for what lies beneath. A series only containing of 4 episodes of approximately 45 minutes each, Betal takes a little time to set up, with the same slow build-up that we saw from Patrick Graham with Ghoul. The first episode is slow and is somewhat setting up the story, but the series soon picks up pace and the second and third episode are particularly action-packed. While the final episodes have some scenes that are unnecessary, and you will know what we mean when you see a particularly out-of-the-place scene which is kinda cringy. But overall, you can overlook those as what we get is good. The acting in this series is also pretty good, with Vineet Kumar leading the cast as Vikram Sirohi, Ahana Kumra, Manjari Popala, Jitendra Joshi, and probably the creepiest one of them all was Suchitra Pillai in her portrayal of Commander Tyagi. While the characterization may seem a bit weak at the start with some really cliched moments and characters, the writers made a good move with making the lead character of the series somewhat weak and flawed. The series is produced by Red Chillies, and frankly, they've done a top-notch job in the post-production department, with some brilliant editing and amazing background score. However, the biggest plus point of the series is the VFX used in it. Not even once in the entire run of the series will you ever doubt that the zombie is false. With some brilliant makeup and some final touch-up special effects, the zombies look marvelous, and they make the show a bit more scary. Although the post-production is good, the pre-production was questionable. Like in the first episode, and only in the first episode because as we mentioned it's a little slow, you notice that everything looks very set-like, and the lighting and the design and the background, it all looks very setty. But later as you drown into the series, you don't notice it as much because the location is good, but that was the issue and that is something that we noticed. The story itself is nothing spectacular, but it's not a boring one either. And although there is a lot of predictable shit going on, there are still some twists and turns that might shock you. The concept of Betal is used nicely. This was just a scary, engaging and an ambitious project to put forth an action-packed zombie series out there, and nothing else. Frankly, the show is worth a watch. Not because it is brilliant and outstanding, but because it will hardly take you 4 hours to finish the entire series. And not to forget, this is India's first proper venture into the zombie series, and is certainly not a disappointing one. But we will also suggest that you don't keep your expectations too high, as there are still some problems with it, like unnecessary subplots and the story falling flat at times. But the series should receive appreciation for trying something new, and is probably Netflix's best output in a while, a streaming platform that is suffering with producing Indian content. So this was our quick review about Betal. Guys, do let us know in the comments below, did you watch it, did you not watch it, did you like it, did you not like it, and what are the videos we should make next. Like and share this video and subscribe to Brainwash for more videos like these.